Hello, going to do another little Zippo modification video, update, whatever you want to call it. Probably wondering what's going on with this Dennis the Menace fan club. Well, I've been a member since about 1974, I think, and a lifelong member of the fan club. And you get your membership card, and you get your little wallet, and you get your that's Gnasher, and that's Dennis, and I thought it'd be quite fun to do a tribute to Dennis the Menace and Gnasher and my fan club membership on Zippo. So I've obtained this, and you know those pin badges that have the these little pins at the back, you know, like earring keepers at the back. I've got a couple of those and samples, and cut the back off and ground it down, and you know, the Dremel bit, I've done the bit with the Dremel and cleaned them up, and there we go. So this is the lighter. It's just a standard highly polished, oh hello, there's me, standard highly polished brass, regular sort of jobby. And what I thought I'd do is apply some of those badges to here, but also I thought I'd give a little bit of a my own version of engraving. There's a fan club password, which obviously we have to keep secret, otherwise we'd have to kill you. But I'm going to attempt to do a bit of a jobby of customizing yonder solid brass, but I'm going to sort of try to do it sort of in realish time. Now I've got some tools for the job. For the engraving, of course, I've got the trusty Dremel kit. Put that to one side. I've got my polishing brush and everything. I've got the tool off camera behind. You all know what a Dremel looks like. I think I'm probably going to go. Oh look, here's one. Here's a tungsten bit. I can probably have a go with that. So I'll put him into the chuck and see what we can get away with. Right, let's bear with me a minute. It's a bit awkward because I can't really do it in front of, because the lead isn't quite long enough. So I'll tell you what. Oh, I forgot. That's the important bit. I've also got this high quality laser etching tool. It's going to be my first outing with this. Now when I turn it on, I don't want to turn it anywhere near anything that's going to reflect, but can you see, I don't want to get it on my skin, so I've got to be careful. Right, there you go. So I'm going to be etching onto the metal with that in combination with my Dremel tool. Obviously it could create a bit of a mess, so bear with me for a little while. I'm going to do the best I can. In the meantime, I've got this is my nice new armour. Very impressed with it. That's my daily runabout now, and well, it works beautifully. And there's my lovely new stainless ashtray. So right, let's get. I'm just getting this into the chuck. Hang on. Right, okay. That's going in. But while I'm doing this, just bear with me a minute. You can admire my ashtray doing its job. Right, that's going on there. I've got this, you can see this point, can you see what's going on? Right, this is how it's memorising the lettering, shaping, and right, hang on, so let's see what we can do here. So right, oh blimey, oh, I don't know about, crikey, hang on, we're going, it's cooking. Oh no, that's not quite, bloody hell, no, we're getting there, bear me a minute. Right, oh, that's looking good. Yeah, right, okay. Have another little burning in there. Right, okay. Oh, hang on. Oh. Right, we're getting there. Bear with me. Just yeah, we're nearly done. Right, okay, we're just doing the final polishing here, and right, okay, this isn't, oh yeah, no, that's all right, yeah, that's going all right. And I think what we might find is that, oh, excuse me, just got, oh look, the ashtray works perfectly. And what we have achieved is, get the ashtray out of the way, the great unveiling of my homage to Dennis and Gnasher. I can't explain the engraving to you, but oh, hang on, I just noticed there's a little bit that's not quite right. Hang on, I'll just finish that off. Here we go. Oh, go on, burn my finger. Yeah, that's better. Right, there we go. So we've got Gnasher on the back, Dennis on the front. I'm quite pleased with that. There we go. Let's see if it's maiden striking. Perfect. Thank you for watching. If you like it, share it, comments, corrections and advice, and I might even do some more videos like this. Dennis the Menace and Gnasher.